Hey and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys some E.L.F putty bronzers that I bought from elf.com. One is in the shade Beach Please and the other one is in the shade Cabana Cutie. And these are them side by side. I don't know if you can tell the difference in the packaging, but hopefully one of these shades will work. So if you guys want to see how these two shades turned out on my complexion, then go ahead and stay tuned. I will be doing a full face in this video, so if you want to watch, you can. If not, then you can just fast forward to the part with the bronzers. Hopefully, I will have them timestamped down in the description box below. For my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit, and this is going to be in the shade 5.
Finally don't get no fuss, finally be riding on my way. Finally woke up with some luck in the book. I don't give a what someone say. Finally got my friends in the back on my roller. We gon' make it big one day. We gon' make it big, I say. We gon' make it big, just stay in there. Stay in the moon.
Okay, so to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to use the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer, and this is going to be in the shade Chestnut.
Smell all the roses with me. Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. You woke up from a while, haven't seen you smile since December. Ripped your heart, got a brand new one since you got lost in November. See it in your eyes when we leave for the night. Way too many heartbreaks still on your mind. Let the flame burn down for a while. Let the frame blur out for a while. Stay in the moment. Stay in the moment with me. Give you a moment. Give you a moment with me.
Then I'm just going to blend that out using my Kat Von D number 40 brush.
Just give you a moment. Stay in the moment with me. I see you climbing, been trying to find your way. Let's see you smiling. Since we were stuck in LA, babe, come jump the rooftop and come watch the skyline with me.
You say you're special, one of a kind, one of the better boys. I'm on your level, that's what you say, but all I hear is noise. I don't have time for trying my luck. I've been too hurt before. You're not that special, just give it up. I think I've had enough. I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend. I know you want me, boy, I can tell. So deep under my spell. Sorry, not sorry that I'm no help, cause I'm full of myself. Boy, don't you worry, you'll find someone who wants you back, but that is not me. So so give it up. Haven't you had enough? I'm too busy loving my friends. I ain't got no love to spare for you. I'ma be that girl to the end. It don't really matter what you do. Guess I have to tell you again, 'cause you haven't got the news. Boy, you really need to understand that I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. I don't really have time for you, boy. I don't wanna hear anything more. Boy, you really need to understand that I'm not your girlfriend. I just wanna be up in the club with my girls, yeah, sipping that pub. Never worry about la 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 love, 'cause I'm not your girlfriend. Yeah, yeah. And I never wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. All I want is time with my girlfriend's girlfriend. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend.
Okay, so now I'm gonna set using the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder.
Girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no. Girlfriends, girlfriends. So I don't wanna be your girlfriend, girlfriend. No, 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 no.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already.
So for bronzer, I'm gonna use a cream bronzer today, and this is gonna be the Putty Bronzer by E.L.F. in Cabana Cutie, and then I have Beach Please. So first I'm gonna swatch both colors and see which one works, and then we're gonna try that one out. I don't know, maybe I should have went a shade of lighter, but we finna try it out because it's starting to look real dark to me. But this is Cabana Cutie. Okay, it's really sheer, so it feels a little oily, but oh, it says, okay, so this is a putty to powder bronzer, Cabana Cutie. It looks like it has more of a purple kind of undertone to it. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use that one. So let's do Beach Please. So this is Beach Please, and we're gonna swatch that right next to Cabana Cutie. So this is Beach Please. I don't know. Okay, so the only other cream bronzer that I do have is the Fenty Matchstick in Espresso. So I'm gonna swatch that one right here so you can see what this one looks like. This is one that I use all the time. You see how deep it is? Okay, so that's the Fenty Matchstick. This is Cabana Cutie, and this is Beach Please by E.L.F. These two are the E.L.F. ones, and this is the Fenty Matchstick. Let me just try to build the E.L.F. ones up just to see. So Cabana Cutie, we're gonna do another one on top of the one we already did. Okay. Getting a little then we're gonna swatch Beach Please. So I'm thinking Beach Please might be it for it. Okay, so I'm gonna use Beach Please because Cabana Cutie has a lot of purple in it, and I don't think that's gonna work. So that's what we're gonna use right now.
Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place.
Okay, so then I'm gonna take that same bronzer and I'm just gonna contour my nose.
With you, how I need a summer breeze, some fresh air.
So then I'm gonna take my Zoeva 146 concealer brush, and then I'm just gonna blend this.
Me and you go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now, we're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna set my face using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist.
We'll never come down, we're going away. Yeah, we're going away, you and me.
So now I'm just gonna do my eyes, liner and lashes, and then I'll be back, okay? And we'll do the lipstick after. Okay, so for liner, I use the Benefit Roller Lash in black, and then for lashes, I use the Eylure London Luxe Silk Lashes in Marquise. So I'm just gonna use the LA Girl Perfect Precision Eyeliner, and this is gonna be in the shade Dark Brown.
We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. In Hawaii. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low. Running from a ghost town, where we never feel high, just low. We won't ever come down, we won't ever come down low.
So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys were thinking about getting the putty bronzers, let me know what shade you guys liked and which one that you picked up. I really like these. It's a sheer coverage at first, so use a brush to apply this, and as you blend it out, I don't know how to describe it, but it like kind of fades in, like it turns from an oil kind of slit to a powder somehow. And this is what my face looked like. I used the bronzer to contour, and I also use it to do my nose contour, kind of, I don't know, purplish, because both of them look kind of purplish when I swatched them, but this one looked really purple. But I thought I could get away with it because how sheer the product is to build it up, so that's what I did, and I like how this came out. So this is by E.L.F, and this is the bronzer that I used today, and this is really nice. Out of the two that I got, I have Beach Please and Cabana Cutie. So the one that I ended up going with today, and yeah, I really like it. I would really recommend you try it. I believe they're only $6, so get them while they are in stock, because you know it's gonna be sold out. So I like it. Bam approved. I will definitely be using this too. But for $6, go and get it. If you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up somewhere down here, as well as subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell right next to it so you can be notified whenever I post a new upload. Till the next video, you guys. Love ya. Bye.
Issues left behind.